Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Friday morning, November 5th. We are looking at Window Traders market profile of SPY, IWMN, triple Qs. First and foremost, thanks for all the likes on the videos and subscribing to the channel. Come check us out at CamelbackTrading.org, $1 a day. Gives you really good information to help you with your trading. What are we looking at today? Well, pretty much a replay of every day we've seen, as we have new all-time highs in the pre-market in SPY, ES, NQ, and triple Q. We have the all-important job number at 8:30. These numbers mean nothing, just like earnings mean zero. The algos, the mindless machines will whip the market around at 8:30, but they mean nothing, right? Let's plain and simple. It's the Fed and only the Fed. This market right now is like a drunk walking into a bar and seeing an open tab and a neon light saying 24-hour service. That's what this market is right now. It's just happy days. As far as destination, the only ones I'll give you the overnight all-time high so far in SPY is 468.26. Our overnight low is 466.57. As far as a game plan, whether it's for now or at 9:30, if you have a gap, the higher the gap goes, a less likely gap rules apply for me, right? Yesterday's high was 467. It's about $1 gap, not bad. So if you were to get a pullback, you can definitely take a long against yesterday's high in the gap. Remember, it was a poor high yesterday at the all-time high. If you take that out and the gap fills, I'd be at a little long. That's one play on the long side. On the short side, again, the only play I would even consider is possibly, depending on where we open, a short against the overnight high to see if they front run it the first time. If in the next 75 minutes, or obviously in the next 15 minutes when a job number comes out, if this changes drastically, if the gap gets much bigger to the upside, I certainly wouldn't touch it. On the flip side, if there is no gap and we open up inside of yesterday's range, well, then the odds of trading at our 11-wide POC would be very, very good. Again, all early plays, you'd be getting this up-to-the-minute updates while the market's evolving. We will go over all the charts of all three of these indices tonight. And then again, here's the daily. Nothing changes to the daily changes. We had 4 gaps in 5 days. We've been one time framing up 7 days. A possibility of, remember, we gapped high yesterday, even though it filled right away. Possibility of another gap higher. Do I expect a 2 to 3% vicious liquidation flush over a 2-day period? I do. Just don't know when it's going to happen. Right? If it happens sooner rather than later, we should make new all-time highs. If we keep making highs and grinding higher and then it happens later in the month or early in December, well then maybe from whatever point that happens from, the highs for the year will be in. But that's all it would be. It would just be a vicious liquidation event that shakes out the weakest of the longs. Good luck trading today. Have a great day, and we'll recap the day and the week at 4 p.m.